Hello friends. My wife and I recently installed interior doors ourselves and my wife broke the tape measure. Now the housing is separate and the measuring tape is separate. Let's try to take it apart and see what we have inside. I think it won't be that difficult to fix it. The locking mechanism has stopped working. Perhaps some kind of spring has fallen off. Let's take it apart. As far as I understand, there is a rubber cover on top and it must be removed somehow. The plastic case must come out to unscrew it. With difficulty I managed to remove the rubber cover. Let's see if there is a screw under the sticker. Looks like there's nothing here, just a sticker. Now unscrew the 3 screws. One screw was unscrewed by half, which is probably why the ruler flew out. Let's check it now. Here I see some kind of winding mechanism. Now you need to figure out how to assemble everything. I understand that there are 3 holes for a key or some kind of device that winds the spring. Then the ruler is connected and the tape is wound into the tape measure itself. We will do this manually. The only question is how many revolutions need to be made in order to retract the ruler enough. I started it. Now I'll try it. If this isn't enough, I'll start it stronger. Now you need to insert the limiter. Now I'm going to connect the meter ruler and then hook it up. Then I release the spring and the spring should wind the entire tape measure into itself. But first I'll put the housing on so that the spring doesn't jump out. It was just a little short, friends, 20 centimeters. It was still necessary to make 5 turns so that the entire line would go into the body. How to quickly make it? First we wrap the ruler around the body, then we pull it out and it will wind the spring itself. After tensioning, remove the ruler from the drum and make a few more turns with the drum. Winding the spring. This is necessary so that the ruler is completely twisted into the drum at speed. Now I don't have enough spring winding to screw it completely into the body. Let's put my theory into practice. It turns out that the roulette will start itself. Let's screw the ruler onto the drum. After screwing it on, we insert everything into the body. We insert the drum into the housing and try to start it. And so I wound up the spring. Now I'll do a few more turns without a ruler. Ready. Now we attach a ruler to it. Now I'll put on the other part of the body. Let's try. So we fixed the roulette, friends. Only I forgot to put on the retainer. Therefore, I will now wind the mechanism in the same way and then install the latch into the body. I remove the ruler and hold the tip so that the spring does not work. Now we put on the retainer. Close the tape measure and slowly release the ruler. Now tighten the 3 screws and insert them into the case. Let's check if the ruler is fixed now. We put it in a case and now install a special thing to make it convenient to hang the tape measure on the belt. You also had to put on a thread to hang it on your hand. I took off the cover. Now let's thread the rope. This time we succeeded. Now we assemble the roulette. All friends, the roulette is ready. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and good luck with your repairs.